Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So let's continue with our Arabic lesson, and just a little revision that we are doing the isms, and in the ism we started with there are four properties of ism. So we started with the status, and we said that there are three types of status: rafa, doer, nasab, the detail, and jar, which is the word that comes after of. And then how to tell status, we said that there are ending sounds which are for the singular which are for the singular rafa, nasab, and jar. So we said that if there is u or un sound, it's one rafa, like muslimun or muslimu. Then if there is a or un sound, then means it's nasab, one nasab, that means musliman, or example is musliman and muslima. And then if there is e or in sound, then it means that it's one jar, that is muslimin or muslimi. So this is like all these words, they mean one muslim, and but the status is different. One of them is doer, one of them is detail, and one of them will be the word that comes after of. So this is what we did for the singular. Then we started when then we did the like the pair yesterday, like ending combination for the pair, and we said that if the word in the end there is ani or ani, that means that it's two rafa, and if there is aini in the end, then it means it's two nasab or two jar. In the later videos we'll find out that which one is it nasab or jar. And then the example was given that muslimani is like two muslims, and it's rafa, meaning that these two muslims are actually the doer of the fail. And then muslimaini, that is two muslims, they can be either nasab, they can either be the detail of a fail, or then they can also be jar, like these muslimaini could be the ones that comes after of. So ani and aini were the ending combinations which are used for dual, for pair. And ani is for rafa, two rafa, and aini is for two nasab or two jar. Then there is a third, which is the plural, which is plural in Arabic means like more than two. So ending combinations for plural are una. If there is if the word if this ism that ends with una, that means plural more than two, and it's rafa. The una ending is for rafa, for a plural, and then ina ending is for plural nasab or jar. So let's give the example that una ending muslimuna. So muslimuna, una is plural rafa, like more than two muslims are the ones who are the doer of something. And then a muslimina, like the ina ending muslimina is plural more than two nasab or jar. So either these muslimina can be the detail of a fail, or they can be the word that comes after of. So let's just look here, like the word muslim is there. So word muslim plus una, muslimuna, is plural rafa, more than two rafa. And then muslim plus ina, muslimina, is plural more than two nasab or jar. So now we have the muslim chart, which is something that we need to memorize by heart. We should be knowing it even when we are sleeping. So I am going to do this with you like 3 times, and then you can just keep on like repeating it to yourself, and then it's something that we just need to memorize by heart, and there is no other way around it. So this is the first column, which is for singular, and then the second column is for pair or two, and the third column is for plural or more than two. The first in all these columns, the first row it's for the rafa, the second one is for nasab, and the third one is for jar. So this is, let's do the singular ones: muslimun, musliman, muslimin, muslimun, musliman, muslimin. Just look at it and repeat with me: muslimun, musliman, muslimin. Then coming to the pair: muslimani, muslimaini, muslimaini, muslimani, muslimaini, muslimaini, muslimani, muslimaini, muslimaini. Then coming to the plural: muslimuna, muslimina, muslimina, muslimuna, muslimina, muslimina, muslimuna, muslimina, muslimina. So see over here: ani, aini, aini, una, ina, ina. So just look at muslimun, musliman, muslimin, muslimani, muslimaini, muslimaini, muslimuna, muslimina, muslimina. Again: muslimun, musliman, muslimin, muslimani, muslimaini, muslimaini, muslimuna, muslimina, muslimina. Third time: muslimun, musliman, muslimin, muslimani, muslimaini, muslimaini, muslimuna, muslimina, muslimina. Muslimun, one rafa, musliman, one nasab, muslimin, one jar. Muslimani, two rafa, muslimaini, two nasab, muslimaini, two jar. Muslimuna, plural more than two rafa. Muslimina, plural more than two nasab. Muslimina, plural more than two jar. So Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. Just memorize it, learn it by heart. This is something which is going to come over and over again. So we should be knowing Muslimun, ending, it's one rafa. Musliman, unending, it's one nasab. Muslimin, in ending, it's one jar. Muslimani, ani, two rafa. Muslimaini, two nasab or two jar. Muslimuna, una ending, plural or more than two rafa. Muslimina, it can be either plural more than two nasab or jar. So just memorize it. Inshallah, we'll continue further tomorrow. Fi aman Allah.